Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have VS Code open, create index, HTML and styles, CSS inside the same folder so relative paths are simple. Once done, add the HTML boilerplate and place a link rel equals stylisheet href equals styles. CSS tag inside the head. You do this because rel tells the browser the file type and href points to where the CSS lives. Make sure file names match exactly, including case. Otherwise, the browser can't find the stylisheet and nothing will style. Now focus on the path and testing loop. If styles, CSS is in a subfolder, update href to CSS/styles. CSS, relative paths matter, launch live server or open index. HTML in the browser so you can see updates immediately. Save both files before refreshing. Live server usually reloads automatically. If styling doesn't appear, open DevTools and look for 404 errors under network. That tells you the browser couldn't locate the file. Adjust the path and save, then refresh again. Finish by confirming your styles load and override defaults as intended. Open DevTools, select an element, and verify which CSS rules are applied. This explains why one rule wins over another. Make a small change in styles. CSS, save, and hard reload the page to bypass cache. If styles still don't show, check rel, href, and the exact file name spelling. One typo breaks the link. Troubleshooting tip. Disable cache in DevTools Network tab and reload to rule out caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.